it's me, Layla. I'm here with a Valentine's video. I know I'm late to the party, but I made these cards for my kids, my two boys and my two girls. And I didn't want to do a video before I gave it to them, just in case if they viewed the video, I didn't want them to see it, because it was a full surprise package that I made for them. However, I'm going to come on today and show you guys what I used and how I made them. So these are the pre-made cards, the craft and the white cards. I purchased them cut and pre-scored from, I'm going to say Michael's, I believe. I'm not too sure. And the images are from, I don't know if you guys remember when I did my Dollar Tree haul. I will link it in this video. I showed you guys the Precious Moments cards, the to and from cards that I purchased from there. So I cut them up and I removed the red lining. It looked like this. Let me see if I can find them. 1 second, guys. I still have the stuff sitting around here, so on my table. Sorry about that, guys. It came like this. I don't know if you guys remember this video, the whole video, but it came like that. And I pretty much cut them down. I cut these down. And the two white ones are for my boys, and the two craft ones are for the girls. For the boys, I removed the rim. I cut it down. I distressed it. I rounded the edges. And I distressed it, and I added the paper, and this is paper from Hobby Lobby. It's their new, it's called Vintage Valentine. I hauled this one too. And these are the only scraps that were left over. So I pretty much used a lot of my scraps from this paper. I'm trying to basically use up scraps as I cut them up so that way I don't hoard them, because I have a problem with hoarding paper. So I'm trying to fix that problem as I go and I'm making cards. But I thought these turned out really cute. The sticker is actually from my dollar sticker pack. Oh gosh, eons ago. I purchased it from Michael's. It's the pack. Oh, come on. And of course I zipped it up and now I cannot open it with one hand. But I'm going to try to open it up. Sorry guys, hold on one quick second. It's actually a really cute paper pad and I've used a lot of it. I made few cards, and it's this one. Happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if it says the year. It might by the no, I don't know. I don't know. I purchased it, I believe, last year or the year before last. And it was $1, and then I purchased it when they went 75 or 80% off. I purchased it after Valentine's Day. So this sticker pad actually came from here. It's this little birdie right here. It's a cute paper pad. I really love it. It's like as you can tell, it's well loved. I used a lot of it. So I did identical to both the boys' cards. This is again from the same paper pad. The sticker is from the same sheet. And these foam, I purchased them last year from Target Dollar Spot. It was the red hearts, and if you flip, one side is red, if you flip, the other side is silver. And they had them in pink and in red. So I just decided to use red since the outline was red for these cards. And that one says, Sweetie Pie, I love you. And it says, I'm glad God made us friends. This one says, God's love for you is picture perfect. And it says, my baby, my forever sweetheart. This is my youngest one. This was for my 6-year-old. This was for the 7-year-old boy. And then this was for my 8-year-old daughter and my 11-year-old daughter. She just turned 11 last week. So the girls are pretty much the same thing. I love this paper. It is so pretty. And when I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, they didn't have any more, so I have to go to the other one and see if I can find. I want to purchase a couple of them, because it really doesn't scream Valentine to me. You could make birthday cards with this cluster right here. So anyways, I kept this. I still distressed the edges for all the cards. This one I started doing the paper, and then I just didn't. I thought they were young, so I gave them a cleaner finish. I added 2 hearts and a flower from AC Moore's. This one is all white. This one is pink. I tried keeping the cards same. The only thing with my middle daughter, what I did is she loved this paper and this paper, and I wanted to incorporate both of them, so I cut them into strips and I added a heart in the middle. So sorry guys. So they loved their cards, and that's it. And I will be back later with another video. And I will talk to you guys till then. Please like, subscribe, share this video, leave me a comment. I love reading comments. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.